Morning, everybody. It's a little bit raining. Actually, it is actually raining. My phone's getting wet, but you know what? It's fine. At least it has a cover notice. So, yeah, look at all that rain. And normally, Dogzi doesn't come out here. So, let's do that. Like this. I give her 1 star. So quick video, and then I probably will make another video for an updated video. So yesterday, because of how it was raining and I didn't want to vlog out here like this, because it was raining so hard, to do my daily vlog for what I did at Taste. So yeah, I do have a Taste shirt on, but I'm not going to Taste. Today is a checkup for Taco Casa. Or, well, I guess it's called checkup or updated. After all, the manager / owner did tell me to give him 2 to 3 days. This is the 3rd day. I went on Tuesday. Today's Thursday. So, gotta check up, right? So I might begin the job there. Not might, hopefully. So that's that. Yesterday was really, really awesome. Despite the rain, and now it's cold. Despite the rain, let's see. I think we did really good. I haven't figured out how many covers we did yesterday, but we did good. So for lunch that day, yesterday I had their special, which is this Penang curry, and it was really, really good. It's a little bit spicy, but it was really, really good. The type of Thai curry, and it was really tasty. But yeah, it's the type of Thai curry, and it was really, really tasty. And we got to figure out some of the ingredients for it, just in case if you guys are one of those taste buds that they have. To become a taste bud, you have to go on their website and sign up for it, and they'll get a newsletter for what they might be doing over the week or something like that. And I'm sorry, she's doing really good. I'm telling you right now, she hates rain, and she sure won't go out in the rain unless it's really, really important. And those like those rare things. And yesterday when it was raining, she didn't even make it under the bridge. She made it all the way to that first pole and then went down, across the street. And to make it to almost the whole pole under the bridge thing, she's doing awesome. But now I need to wash her clothes when we get home. But anyway, so the Thai curry, so for those people who are taste buds and sign up to be a taste bud, and you get this newsletter. I think they send it every month or something like that. And usually they'll tell you about the secret menu item and how many days you have to actually have it. For this one, you'll only have 5 days. So I think this coming Friday or Saturday is the last day for it. So, but anyway, so there was a lot of questions. No, it's not vegetarian, because if you don't because it has like pork, there's pork for the meat. Then you got some bell peppers, some chili sauce, or actually like a chili puree. So it's raining. she never sees water going down the storm drains before. But anyway, it has like this parade of chili. Then you got jasmine rice and some leaves. But in the curries, the chicken, she said there's shrimp paste in it and some other paste. But not a curry paste or something. But anyway, it was really good. I didn't really want to destroy the awesome masterpiece of trying to put it together. But in the end, I had to, and it was really, really tasty. So that's it. So yesterday, we also got to celebrate my mother's volunteer of the week, because of how much she does in the social media for taste of liking everything that they posted and other things. I know it's being like one of these days. So for that, she did get that, and she got a brownie, one of their awesome brownies for it. So I'll just put a picture down below of what she got and stuff, and the Thai curry, because they were really